Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series. Here I came up with the third question written on the screen. Let ln a plus c, ln c minus a and ln a minus 2b plus c are in AP. Then they are asking something. So guys, if they are in AP, we know one thing, that if we take the log of terms written in GP, we'll be going to get a AP. That means what? Or we may write directly, okay? By this property we may write what? That a plus c, c minus a and a minus 2b plus c are in GP. But let us suppose somebody is not comfortable with it. They are knowing one thing only. What is the property I have applied to write this thing? If we take log of terms written in GP, we will get AP. So if we have a form in terms of log and it's an AP, that means all the terms whose log has been taken by me might be in what? GP, right? If somebody is not comfortable like this, what he'll be going to do? He'll be going to make use of arithmetic mean. So what is the things? What all things are given to you? ln a plus c is given, then ln c minus a is given, then ln a minus 2b plus c is given, and that is what given to you. Arithmetic progression is given to you. So we may make use of this thing to proceed further. We may write 2 times of ln c minus a is equal to ln a plus c multiplied by ln a plus c plus ln a minus 2b plus c, and we may make use of ln a plus ln b, that is ln ab, that is ln a plus c multiplied by a minus 2b plus c is equal to ln of c minus a the whole square will be, by making use of converse of power rule. Now taking anti-log, we will get what? C minus a the whole square is equal to a plus c multiplied by a minus 2b plus c over here. So guys, that is the same thing when we had written a plus c, c minus a and a minus 2b plus c are in GP, because we are getting back the same thing. Great, very important. Now guys, when I'll be going to proceed further, now I'll be going to get some relationship which will be in the form of which will be in the form of GP, AP or HP. Let's see what will be going to happen over here. So we'll be writing c square plus a square minus 2ac is equal to a square minus 2ab plus ac minus 2bc plus c square over here. So c square and c square will be gone, and a square will be gone. Then what all things are getting cancelled? We got minus 2ac over here, so 4ac it will become with minus sign. When 2acs will be brought with positive sign from right hand side, that will become minus twice ab minus twice bc. Now guys, proceeding further, I can divide it by minus sign and 2, so that will be becoming 2ac is equal to ab plus bc. Now do we have any option like this? We don't have any option, so let's divide it throughout by abc. So it will be becoming what? 2 by b is equal to 1 upon c plus 1 upon a. That means what, my dear students? 1 upon a, 1 upon b and 1 upon c are in arithmetic progression. So if they are in arithmetic progression, abc will become in what? Harmonic progression. So which option should be marked by us? Option number D should be marked by us. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.